sit like that and watch the sunset. You can sit like this and have a nap, literally. More boot space than an Audi A3. More hidden features than a Mini. Enough space to pack camping equipment. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mark 1 Toyota Yaris. What's going on, people, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Toyota Yaris's rear folding seats, so stay tuned. So the Yaris is actually pretty clever with its seating system. You've got split folding rear seats, and depending on how they've been folded, sometimes they don't go as smoothly as you'd expected. Usually what happens is either the seats don't align properly or it doesn't go back into its locking position. The key here is to not force anything. If it's not clicking in, something just slightly is out of position. As we can see, the Toyota Yaris is perfectly equipped to carry all of your belongings, whether that's camping, shopping, or just going on your leisurely travels. If we don't have enough room, we can make more space by pulling this lever here and pushing forward, which allows for a lot more boot space. If that's still not enough space, we can pull this lever here and push the seat forward. So we can either have that one or if we reach behind here and pull down here, there's a lever, we can bring this seat forward. So now you have even more boot space. If that's still not enough space, we have a lever here that we can pull forward. As you can see now, with the seats forward, you have a lot more boot space. In fact, you have enough boot space
to swing a cat.
You could sit like that and watch the sunset. You can sit like this and have a nap, literally. There's so much boot space in here, and for such a small car, you can't complain.